Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the tips and tricks to make sure that your gig runs more smoothly or hopefully get you more gigs. In this video we'll be talking about getting to know people. In this video this will mainly be about being able to create a bill of a mixture of artists so that you can appeal to a wider variety of people. Not all gigs will be all rock, all jazz, all reggae, soul, funk, or whatever type of music. Sometimes they are a mixture of styles to appeal to a wider variety of people. So in this video, try to know other people from other styles of music. So let's take rock and jazz. I mainly come from the rock world in music. I mainly play hard rock, 60s, 70s and 80s hard rock most of my life. But there might be a time when somebody might want a jazz act on with a hard rock act. So if you know somebody from the jazz world, you know somebody you can trust. They can be a great performer and you know they will help you out, and vice versa. Somebody in the jazz world, somebody might be doing a gig somewhere and they want a rock band as well, and they know you and you can interact. This obviously applies to all fields of music, whatever your name: R&B, soul, funk, Motown, rock, pop, jazz, rap, dance music, electronica. Try and know as many people as you can, because you never know when they may need another act to appeal to the gig they're doing. In some cases, not now, but certainly years ago in weddings, you would have two types of bands. In my parents' case, certainly, the first band on would play all the standard waltzes, rumbas, foxtrot and dances for the older generation to move around the dance floor to. And when they did their set, the rock band came on for the younger generation. That's how old I am. I use the word younger generation to rock and roll and jive to. Now equally, people could dance to either one, but in them days, a band will need to know a dance band and a dance band will need to know a rock band to make sure that they could cover both places at the gigs. And in fairness, you're getting your friends gigs. So in this video we are talking about knowing people from other fields of music. This could even be down to knowing a good MC. If somebody needs an MC to hold the show together for you for the 3 or 4 acts that's on, get to know a good MC. A good comedian, juggler, children's entertainer, magician, anything. Get to know a few people, so if somebody needs something else on the bill, you can help, and that can help you get more gigs. Think of it this way: you need to know what they specialise in. If it's a family comedian and it's a family show, that works great. If it's an adult comedian and it's a family show, that won't work great. So know a few people and hopefully you can create your own bills and get you more gigs. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care, keep practising, and as always, goodbye.